In this video, we're going to look at how to create a page and how to use the tools that are included in the Rich Content Editor. To create a page in your course, you'll click on your Pages tab and then click the plus page button in the upper right-hand corner. So there are a lot of different uses for pages in Canvas, and we'll go over a lot of them as we go over the different tools used to create each of those items. So first I'm going to want to give my page a name, something descriptive so that your students know what it is, but also so that when you look at your list of pages, you can tell what it is as well. So for example, I'm just going to say this is going to be my study guide for exam 1. And then down here, I can type whatever I need to into my page. As you can see, there are a lot of text editing and formatting tools like what you will see in Word or other word processing software. You could do a bulleted list, a numbered list. If I want, I can insert a table. I can copy and paste my items in here if I would like to. Sometimes the formatting gets a little bit strange, but you can always fix that. And the nice thing about a page is that unlike a file, a page can be edited within Canvas. If I want to link to a website, I can easily do that. So let's say I want to link to a website about the Stamp Act. I can go to my website and copy the URL, and then go back to my course and highlight whatever text I want to turn into a link. Click this link of chain icon, paste my URL in there, and now this text is now a clickable link for my students. This looks a lot nicer than just pasting a long URL into my page, and it also is more accessible if you have a student who happens to be using assistive technology like a screen reader. It can just read the name of the site to the student rather than reading out loud that whole long URL. Another cool thing I can do with a page is that I can link a page to any other place in the course. So let's say that I had my students already participated in a discussion about this topic, and I want to direct them back to that to remind them of what we've already talked about. I can always, again, highlight what I want to turn into a link, and then come over here to my content selector and find the item that I want to link. So I'm going to click this. So now when my students click on this Causes of the Revolutionary War, it's going to take them to that discussion that they had. I also can easily link to files, either ones that I already have uploaded into my course, or I can upload a file that links to my page. So let's say I want to link to a PowerPoint about the intolerable acts. Again, I'm highlighting this. I can come over to Files and say Upload a file. Click Choose File, choose my file, click Upload, and now when my students click on this link here, it will take them to a PowerPoint about the intolerable acts. So let's say that I want to link my page to a video that I want my students to watch. I can very easily just designate a whole page as being a place that houses a video. So again, I'm going to want to give my page a title. I might want to specify that this is a video. And then I'm going to go to YouTube, find my video that I want. And the best way to do this, instead of just highlighting the URL, is to click on this share button here and click this button that says Embed. And this will give you your embed code that you can use to embed this video right into the page. So now I'm going to click back on my page, and I'm going to click this button here that says Insert Edit Media. Instead of putting a URL in here, I'm going to click on Embed. I'm going to paste my embed code, click OK, and now I've got my YouTube video directly linked. I can click Save and Publish and add it to the module where I want it. There is an embedded YouTube app here that you can also use, but when you click on that, it has a search bar that you have to type your topic in that you want to search for. And it doesn't always seem to work as well as just going to YouTube outside of here and just searching for your video, grabbing that embed code, and then embedding it right into your page. If you need to embed an image into a page, you can do that by clicking on this little picture icon. If you have an image coming from a URL, you can put the URL in here, but generally people usually are trying to upload an image that they already have on their computer. So to do this, you're going to want to click on the Canvas tab and then click on your files here. If you've already uploaded the file into a folder, you can click on your course files, or if you want to see all your files for all your courses, click on My Files. But if it's something that has not been uploaded yet, you can click Upload File and then find the picture that you want to upload, scroll down and click Update, and it will put that image right there into your page. If you like to use Khan Academy with your classes, you can find a built-in app for that as well. If you click this V here, you'll see Khan Academy listed in this More External Tools button. And you can actually click through all of the different topics and just keep clicking through until you find the one that you want. And then it's going to allow you to just embed that video right there into your page. Additionally, if you wanted to record yourself and maybe put a little intro to the course before the course starts, or do a mini lecture, an introduction message for the week, you can click this button here, and this is our Record Upload Media button, and it will allow you to record yourself using your webcam and your microphone and embed that into a page as well. I'm going to stop this before I scare people. When you're finished with your page, you can come down and click Save and Publish. That way you won't have to remember to publish it later, or if you're not ready to publish it yet, you can just click Save. Just don't forget when you're done creating your page that you'll need to go and add it to a module. You do that, of course, by clicking on the plus sign within the module, selecting Page from the drop-down menu, and then clicking on the name of the item in the list and clicking Add Item. So you won't just find the rich content editor in Canvas in the Pages tab, you're also going to find it anytime you're creating something within Canvas. So for example, within assignments, you're going to see the rich content editor. You'll also see it if you're creating a discussion post, and you'll see it within quizzes, not only when you create a quiz and add quiz directions, but you're also going to actually see it within the questions. So you could put an image, a video, a link, anything that you need to enhance your test question for your students. So finally, let's say that you have created a page that you want to use as your home page for your course. In order to set up a home page, you'll need to click on your Pages tab to see the list of pages that you've created. You'll click on the kebab next to the page that you want to designate as your home page, and click the first option, Use as Front Page. So what you've done now by designating this as a home page is when you click on your Pages tab, you're going to see that home page pop up. But you haven't yet made this the home page for your course. You have to do one more step to do that. So in order to make this your course home page, rather than having the modules be the first place that you and your students go to when you click on the course, you need to go to the home page, and then over on the right hand side in the home menu, click the Choose Home Page button, and rather than course modules, select Pages Front Page and click Save. And now it's going to designate that page as your course home page, and it will be the first place that you are taken to when you click on your course.